Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for tuning in again. I've been appreciating all the new subscribers out there. My name is Mark. I own an Austin Yellow 2018 F80 M3. Hope you guys are enjoying the content, and if you're new, also follow my Instagram. It's exactly the same thing. It's just my first and last name. My name is Mark Gilheis. I don't think everybody knows that is my last name or how to pronounce it, so it is Gilheis. It is Dutch. My dad is Dutch and Indonesian, and my mom is Spanish and Mexican, so that is where I get my last name, and that is why I look so mixed. But yeah, we're gonna be going to a buddy's house of mine who lives pretty close. He actually does a lot of his own detailing. He doesn't have his own business for it, but he does like to do that. But I did want to, you know, pay him for his services, but I did ask him for some help on my paint. I know BMW, they detailed the car very well right before I picked it up, but owning the car now for about 2 months, it's getting a little bit of swirl marks here and there, so I did want to see what he could do to touch up my paint in some spots and some of the gloss black areas. I know they show the swirls a little bit, and also my carbon fiber roof and some other carbon fiber goodies. So thanks for tuning in, you guys. I'm also going to show you guys the new trunk spoiler that I picked up, again from Aura Performance, so hit them up if you guys need any goodies or installs. But thanks, Johnny, I appreciate it. I can't wait to put this spoiler on. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'll go ahead and check in with you guys as soon as we get to his house. So yeah, it's actually a super beautiful day this morning as well. Luckily it worked out. I know we had been planning this during the week, but yeah, it's been raining all week, so thankfully today is a nice, beautiful day. My car's a little bit dirty, but yeah, we're probably gonna have to wash it before he does any detailing, obviously. He's gonna be trying to do some ceramic coating for me as well, which later on I'll probably ask him, or see if he feels comfortable doing my entire car in ceramic coating. This way it makes it a lot easier to clean my car. This paint is amazing, so I just want to take care of it as much as I can.
I'm gonna do like a test spot which of my chemicals works best for your paint. I mean for the carbon fiber. Okay. Because I want it to be shiny and everything as well.
Yeah, right now it's all dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe the edges.
Okay.
Here. I'm gonna wipe the whole thing with a surface prep from Adams. Because I also use their products every time you wash the car. Yeah. But we can do something about this. I'll use like a not too aggressive for this, because this is really
it's probably thin,
really thin. Yeah. Then
the paint itself.
Then the paint itself.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
All right.
So this is the new spoiler.
All right.
So.
Yeah, some swirl marks, but you can work. Well, you told me it was like swirl marks, right?
Yeah.
But it wasn't actually swirl marks.
Yeah, it was like scratch. Like
it was actual scratches.
Yeah.
Which
were deeper.
Well, yeah. I had to use an aggressive compound and an aggressive pad for it. Okay. Since BMW is the clear coat. Yeah. It's always hard. Oh yeah. Because my sister has a BMW and I detailed it, and it was black. Oh. It took me 3 weeks for that. Jeez. Because it was hard, but for this one, as you can see, I mean, you could. Yeah, off the light, off the light. This is not done yet because there's still some residue of the compound. Okay. It looks good. But after that, I'm gonna I'm gonna use alcohol to wipe it off. Okay. Then I'm gonna coat it after with the Adams Polishes ceramic coating. Okay. So since you park it outside, like you said, it's gonna have like the coat's gonna have like with the ceramic. It's gonna have some durability against like water spots, like hazing, since it's carbon fiber. Yeah, I figured that alone is like a good idea. It will help. It will help. Like I mean, it's not fully like protected for like years and stuff like that. But no, it's better than nothing. Yeah, it's better than nothing. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the finished side. Yeah, dude. But I still gotta coat it. Yeah, it looks good though. Yeah. I told you it's kind of. I thought it was gonna take me like an hour and a half because I thought I was just gonna polish it. But the thing is, you have like weird scratches. It wasn't like swirl marks. It wasn't swirl marks, honestly. Yeah. Because I tried 3 passes with the medium. That's already a medium cutting pad with the 3D. This is a Rupees yellow pad. Okay. Usually it works. But I did the second pass and it was still there. Tried the third pass. It was still there, and I'm like, all right,
it's actually pretty good.
It's not coming off. Yeah. So, but then came off after a few passes with this. Okay. Like one pass, it was coming off. So I'm like, oh, all right. So that's what I'm gonna do. Pressure washer and everything, right? I
don't use a pressure washer, so I just use a bucket, but I use a
that's the thing.
That's why.
Yeah, because you know, like the dust.
Yeah.
The dust are small rock chips. Mm-hmm. So if you don't rinse the car thoroughly before you make contact with it,
gotcha.
That's gonna cause the scratches, or if you don't change your microfiber towels. I don't reuse my microfiber towels.
Oh, really?
I throw them away.
Really?
I mean with my car, I can use it again because I use a different one. Mm-hmm. I use it from the right company, but they're good. They're pretty plush, mm-hmm. So they don't leave any streaks or anything. And as much as possible, I try to take out all the dust and all the contaminated areas. Yeah. With using the pressure washer by itself.
Oh, okay. So, well, you're gonna have to tell me what your setup is, so I
I'm gonna let you
know. I can buy one. Yeah, because I definitely want to get one.
I told you I'm trying to finish off I already finished this side. I'm gonna work on the other side. I gotta move the light on this side so I can see the other side better. But for the other stuff, I just started taping it. That's how it is.
Oof, my goodness, dude.
So,
yeah, that looks way better.
I mean, if you like it, then
because this I always look at the roof and it's just like so beautiful because it's like carbon, but then when I would notice the little scratches, I'm like, damn.
Yeah. So last thing I'm gonna do is both sides of the piano. Because I'm trying to put more time on the trim there. Roof itself. Because the trims. This ones are really hard to maintain. It's not always gonna be perfect. I want it to be perfect.
This roof is insane. It's so good now.
Dude, that isn't.
Yeah.
I haven't even coated it.
Yeah.
That's the way it is.
Is there a wait time for me to wash it? Do I need to wait a day?
Well, what we're gonna do is after I coat it, we have to leave it here for at least 3 hours. Okay. 2 hours. Now we gotta make sure that
it cures.
My coat cures before we even take it out.
Yeah.
I don't want any contaminants or any fungus. I know we park it outside.
Yeah.
I don't want anything to go bad with
stick on it.
Yeah. I just want to make sure that the coating cures before I take it out the garage.
Okay. Because after all that rain, I was like, man, I need to wash this car.
That's the best.
Damn.
Yeah. The dusting on that side, the dots.
Yeah.
Those are the dusting from the polishing. So I gotta take it out.
Looks fire.
Yeah, I gotta.
He's absolutely killing it. It looks so good.
Yes, sir.
And then we're gonna coat it with what? You said the Adams.
The Adams triangle.
Yeah. So he's using that smaller one to get the gloss black trim alongside the carbon roof. Pretty hard to maintain, I guess, for the gloss black. I know there's a lot of it on this car. Normally it comes with a silver trim, but with this car it comes in black, a piano black. He's gonna show me all the products that I can use to help do that, and the right pressure washer, and also the correct towels to use. So this way I don't have to make him do this again.
Hopefully.
Sheesh. Alright, so John is taking a little bit of a break, and so I'm gonna spend this time to walk around his car, but you guys need to follow his build. It's super clean. It's dirty right now, but his car is very, very nicely modded. He is on bags. He's not aired out right now, but he's got some beautiful raised wheels. I think these are the CE28s. And he's got a meaty setup too. Got 255, 35, 18. But yeah, give him a follow. This is his Instagram. I believe it's WRX_Zeus. This is actually my first time seeing his car in person, and even just meeting John in person. We've always just kind of talked on social media, on Instagram. He also has the Subi Speed V2s that I had as well. Really love those headlights. I think those are the best ones. He's got some APR goodies. He's done way more than I ever did on my car. But yeah, you guys can see his interior is insane, and it smells good in here. It smells really good. What color is the red pill? Candy red? Super sick. He's got some Brahms seats. Telling you. Suede steering wheel, Sparko. Does have an access port, and like I said, he's on bags. Yeah, we'll check out your air setup. Definitely clean. Damn, that's sick. That cage is insane. What company made that? Cusco. He's got a lot of stuff that he has that he just hasn't installed for the car, so you guys should definitely follow him and stay tuned for all of that. All right guys, so this is the next morning. Thankfully John here allowed me to keep my car overnight because doing the ceramic coating, you got to let it cure correctly, and last night it did rain. You can tell it's all wet. Whew. Can't wait to actually wash her, but yeah, it's all done curing, right? It's all good.
Yeah, pretty good.
For sure. The pillars, everything looks really, really good. Can't wait to see it in the sun. But yeah, we got our first water drop and it's already water beating, so that's dope. These look super good. So thankful. Thank you again, dude. I really appreciate it. So sometime when he has time, we'll talk about doing the car, but I know this took so much time for him. But yeah, I just need to wash the rest of the car. It's super dirty. But yeah, I'm super happy that we're protecting this carbon fiber roof. That's super worth it. No, see, this is what I want to do. I want to be able to do at one point. Because your whole car is ceramic, right?
Yeah.
Just blows right off. So hopefully in the future, but yeah, this vlog is not done. I'm gonna go ahead and also install the new trunk spoiler. Yeah, if you guys haven't thought of doing it, you definitely should. It's a good investment. So it's been a few days. I'm here in my garage. It is freaking pouring. It's not too bad yet, but you know, it's about to. Finally got some time. Gonna go ahead and remove M Performance carbon fiber trunk spoiler. I got some fishing wire. We're gonna go ahead and remove it. Gonna go ahead and put on this beautiful high kick trunk spoiler. Just wanted to show you guys the difference of the rear end. This is what it looks like. All right, take a good look, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the new one. Let's go! Finally, I did not think I was going to be able to do this. And bam, finally got this sucker off. Let's see what was holding it, man. Jesus, I don't know what they used. Stuff is pretty thick though. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a comparison on the difference side by side. You can see how much larger the high kick is. Way thicker, and again, this is gonna sit up a lot higher. This actually is what I'm gonna use to help remove all this leftover adhesive that I cannot get off. That little nozzle, spray it on. It says about 30 to 60 seconds. Let it sit, and then just go ahead and wipe it off. All right, so like 3 hours later, finally got it all completely off. Looks really good, no scratches. Made sure to spray a good amount as I removed it, so it's all good, it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and line it up. So I just wanted to give you guys what the rear end looks without a trunk spoiler. Definitely needs a trunk spoiler, so if you're not running one, you better. Still raining outside, but we got it done. And for the moment you guys have all been waiting for, here we go. So there you guys have it. You can get a little side profile here. Definitely hangs off a lot more. Definitely a lot larger. Definitely stands out a lot more as well. It looks super sick. I'm super happy with it. Just used 3M at the bottom that they had already placed. So shout out to Aura Performance. Thank you so much, Johnny. I appreciate the hookup. And guys, hit them up if you guys need one of these or any carbon fiber parts or installs. Tell them I sent you. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. Sorry this took forever to upload. It's just haven't had the time. It's been raining, also bad weather. So thank you again, you guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.